Chapter 14, number 69. A guitar string 66 centimeters long vibrates with a standing wave that has three antinodes. A, what harmonic is this? And B, what is the wavelength of this wave? So we draw our string, and in its rest state, our string looks like this, but they're telling us we have three antinodes, which means we must have sort of one up there, and come back down, another one there, and back up, and like that. And we can see that this is 1, 2, 3 copies of the fundamental, because the fundamental is just that. That implies that this one is n equals 3, and that's part A, right? It's the third harmonic. And part B is actually relatively easy too, because lambda 3 is 2L over 3, because lambda n is 2L over n. So we have lambda 3 is 2 times the 66 centimeters over 3, which is 44 centimeters.